traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So it definitely looks like we have the end of a trend on all the yen pairs. It looks like the end of a wave 5 on the dollar yen. If it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it likely will take out the low of wave 4. But keep in mind it potentially will take many, many months, maybe even a year or so for it to do so. So definitely keep that in mind. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this is all just one big downtrend. It's either a wave A or possibly a wave 1. And we'll have to keep an eye on shorter time frames because I'm really not even still convinced that the first trend is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame, it definitely looks like an ABC correction. Definitely made a lower high, lower high. We got to keep an eye on it because sometimes you get these expanding flat wave Bs, and if that's the case, it possibly could pop up one more time. And this could be an A, this could actually be the B, and then a C. Take out the highs and then go down. Might be even more likely that that happens, especially because the market likes to go up and stop people out before it actually does take off to the downside. So anyways, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, definitely looks like the end of an ABC correction. But the fact that this move up is very, very corrective, very overlapping, and this move down is impulsive, that's why I just told you guys about the possibility of this being an A, a B, and a C, because if this really is an ABC of wave B, then this is actually more likely to go up and take out these highs for a wave C. And then anybody that tried to go short back here would probably get stopped out, and then later on it would probably continue to downtrend. So I don't really know that this is exactly going to happen. I kept my ABC here because, I mean, it definitely could just keep on trending down now, and I would definitely not exit my short. But if it does make a higher low, or if it does make a break of sorts to the upside, that definitely should tell you that this scenario is probably going to play out, and it probably would go out, take out this high before it actually does end up continuing back down. So either way, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.